Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable or disable battery optimization for any app. So, let's say if I want this app and I want the unrestricted battery optimization, so I'll just need to press and hold, and then we need to click on this I sign, the exclamation I. Click on that, and then we need to go to this app's battery usage, and here you can restrict, you can optimize, and you can select unrestricted. Allow battery usage in background without restrictions may use more battery, and optimize based on your usage recommended for most apps. So you can also try that, and if you want to optimize or unrestricted, you can do that. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.